Students, so today we will learn something new about wonderful machine. What we will learn? We will learn something new about the wonderful machine. Chapter number 42. All of you open. So our body is a wonderful machine. So we have come across so many machines in our life. So artificial machines, okay, which are used in our factories and many buildings and many companies. But we human also work as a machine, okay. So our body is a wonderful machine. The body is divided into 8 systems in accordance with the function it performs, okay. So our body is a wonderful machine and it works various functions. Okay, it performs various functions. The body is divided into 8 systems in accordance with the function it performs. So what is the first one? What is the first function here? The skeleton. Okay, the skeleton. There are 206 bones in our body which serve as a framework for the attachment of muscles and protection of delicate organs. So what do the skeleton do? There are how many bones are there in our body? 206 bones.
206
There
bones.
are 206 bones. All of you underline this one. So how many bones are there? There are 206 bones in our body. Okay. Which serve as a framework for the attachment of muscles. So muscles are attached to the bones. Okay. It works as a framework. Okay. For the attachment of muscles.
Ma'am, in our body has 600 muscles.
Yes. 206. And protection of delicate organs. Okay.
Our body has the 206 bones.
Hello, ma'am. There are 650
Yes,
muscles in our human body.
Okay, children, don't talk. I'm explaining the chapter now. So there are 206 bones in our body which serves as a framework for the attachment of muscles and protection of delicate organs. Okay. So number 2, what is number 2? The circulatory system. So what is circulatory system? It is made up of the heart, blood vessels and blood. What it is made of? It is made up of the heart. The circulatory system is made up of the heart, the blood vessels and the blood. Okay. It provides nourishment and oxygen to different organs in the body. So this is also works as a machine. What is that? The circulatory system. It is the heart, the blood vessels and blood. And what it provides? It provides nourishment and oxygen to different organs in the body. Okay. Because the heart pumps blood, okay, and it works as a circulatory system in our body, and it provides nourishment and oxygen to different organs in the body. Number 3, the respiratory system. So what is the respiratory system? We breathe through this system, okay. The respiratory system is that which we breathe through. By it we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. So what does the respiratory system do? We breathe through the system and by it we inhale oxygen. We are taking in oxygen. And what is we are exhaling? We are exhaling carbon dioxide. Okay. Number 4, the digestive system. What is the digestive system? Whatever we eat is digested through this system. So there is the digestive system in our stomach. We can see here when we eat the food, it goes through our food pipe and it goes to the stomach. And there are so many things like gallbladder, which helps us to digest the food. Okay. The process, the digestive system is it works like a machine, and whatever we eat is digested through this system. Now number 5, the urinary system. Okay, the urinary system. What is the urinary system? This system maintains normal levels of water, sodium and potassium in the body. So the urinary system is that which maintains normal levels of water, sodium and potassium in the body. Now number 6, the glandular system. By this system, Hormones control functions of many organs in the body. So what is the glandular system? By this system, the hormones controls functions of many organs in the body. The hormones controls functions of many organs in the body. Now, number 7, the nervous system. What is the nervous system? This also controls body activities. Okay. So there are nervous system is there in our body and it controls various body's activities. It is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. So the nervous system is also plays a very important part in our whole body and it is made up of brain, okay, brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay. Number 8, reproductive system. So what is reproduction? Reproduction is the process by which a living organism produces its offspring. Okay. So reproductive system is that reproduction is the process by which a living organism produces its offspring. Okay. Now see, did you know is important? The strongest part of our body is the enamel of our teeth. All of you mark this one. What is the strongest part of our body? The strongest part of our body is the enamel of our teeth. Everyone mark this one. So what is our body? Our body is just like a wonderful machine. Okay. So our body is divided into 8 systems in accordance with the function it performs. So it is divided into how many systems? 8 systems. Our body just work like a machine. Okay. So the number 1. Here, mute everyone. Mute. Define mute. Okay. Now number 1, the skeleton. So what do the skeleton do? The skeleton here function as machine. Like see, there are 206 bones in our body which serve as a framework for the attachment of muscles and protection of delicate organs. So the skeleton here work as a framework for the attachment of muscles and protection of delicate organs. So delicate organs are protected by the skeleton. So this is what? This is the skeleton. So all the organs are protected by the framework of the skeleton. Okay. Now see the second one. The second one is the circulatory system. What is circulatory system? It is made up of heart, blood vessels and blood. What the heart do? Heart pumps blood. Okay. And the blood vessels and blood, what they do? It provides nourishment and oxygen to different organs in the body. Okay. They provide nourishment and oxygen to different organs of the body. Different organs in the body. Now number 3, the respiratory system. So this also is a very wonderful system. And what we do here, what we get help from this, we breathe through the system. Okay, through the respiratory system, we breathe through, by which we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. So when we breathe, how do we breathe? We inhale oxygen and what we exhale? We breathe out carbon dioxide. Okay. Now number 4, the digestive system. So whatever we eat is digested through this system. Okay. Whatever we eat is digested through the system. This is called the digestive system and it works like a machine. So whatever we eat is digested through the digestive system. Now number 5, the urinary system. This system maintains normal levels of body, sodium and potassium in the body. Okay. So the urinary system maintains the normal levels of water, sodium and potassium in the body. Number 6, the glandular system. By this system, hormones control functions of many organs in the body. Okay. The glandular system is what? By this system, hormones which we have, each and every person have hormones in their body. Okay. So the hormones control functions of many organs in the body. Now number 7, the nervous system. This also controls body activities. It is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. So the nervous system here you can see, this also controls the body activities and it plays a very vital role. And it is made up of, nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay. Now number 8, reproductive system. What is reproduction? Reproduction is the process by which a living organism produces its offspring. Okay, so reproductive system is that by which a living organism produces offspring. Okay, so all of you, I hope all of you have understood this one. So now, did you know, you can see here the green box, the strongest part of our body is the enamel of our teeth. So please mark it, everyone. Mark this one. Did you know? This is also important. Okay, mark this one as important. So what is the strongest part of our body? The question can come like this. So the strongest part of our body is the enamel of our teeth. All of you mark this one. The network is working very slow today. Yes, Arhad, now tell me about the circulatory system. What you have understood?
This circulatory system is made up of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. It provides nourishment and oxygen to different organs in the body.
Yes, very good. The circulatory system is the system that circulates blood and lymph through the body, consisting of the heart, blood vessels, blood lymph, and lymphatic vessels and glands. Okay. So circulatory system is very important. Okay. Okay. Anyone else? Shahzad?
Ma'am, Adriya, please ask me any question.
Yes, I will ask you. Just wait. Shahzad, tell me about the digestive system.
What, ma'am?
About the digestive system. Read about the digestive system.
Through the system.
Yes, read.
Whatever we eat is digested through the system.
Okay. So the human digestive system consists of gastrointestinal tract. Okay. Plus accessory organs of digestion. Digestion, what do the digestion do? Digestion involves the breakdown of food into smaller and smaller components until they can be absorbed and assimilated into the body. Okay, so what do the digestive system do? Whatever we eat is digested through this system. Okay? Okay. Okay, mute Shahzad. Now an Indian Abhinava. Wait, Adrija. Yes, Adrija. Tell me about the respiratory system. Respiratory system.
Yes, ma'am.
Respiratory system.
Okay,
Number 3. Number 3.
Ma'am, can I see the book?
Yes. Why not? Sure, you can see the book.
We breathe through this system. By it, we inhale oxygen and elect carbon dioxide.
Okay, very
oxide.
Good. So, the respiratory system is that which we breathe through the system. By it, we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Okay. Okay, Adrija.
Okay, ma'am.
Learn all the definitions very nicely. Yes, what happened, Adrija?
Ma'am, can you say me the this chapter again at the last?
Okay, okay, don't worry. I will upload the video. I will upload the video, okay? You can see the video.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now children, Harnish, unmute yourself, Harnish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read about the circulatory system.
Circulatory system. 2 numbers. It is
Yes.
made up of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. It provides nourishment and different organs in the body. And circulatory system sends every necessary and essential thing in every part of the body by blood.
Yes, very good, Harnish. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Arhad. Arhad. Yes. Unmute yourself, Arhad.
Got to lower my hand.
Okay. Okay, Arhad. Read about the digestive system.
Okay, ma'am. Whatever we eat is digested through this digestive system.
Yes. So the digestive system is made up of organs that are important for digesting food and liquids. Okay. These includes throat, stomach. What does it include? The digestive system. It includes throat, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Okay. So these are the system of digestive system. Okay. Yes, Anindya and Abhinava.
Please
Yes.
ask me a question.
Now you read about the urinary system. Number 5.
What, ma'am?
About the urinary system. Read.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Read about the urinary system. Number 5.
This system maintains normal levels of water, sodium, and potassium in the body.
Okay, very good, children. Okay, children, now time is already over. So I have to stop here only. Just wait. I will take your attendance. Don't go anywhere. Okay. I'm going to stop the screen. Okay. I will take your attendance. Okay. Learn this chapter very nicely. It is very important. Okay.